The 14 healthiest vegetables on Earth. Vegetables are well known for being good for your health. Most vegetables are low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, some vegetables stand out from the rest with additional proven health benefits, such as the ability to fight inflammation or reduce the risk of disease. Number 1. Spinach. This leafy green tops the chart as one of the healthiest vegetables, thanks to its impressive nutrient profile. 1 cup, 30 grams, of raw spinach provides 56% of your daily vitamin A needs plus your entire daily vitamin K requirement, all for just 7 calories. 1. Spinach also boasts a great deal of antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of chronic disease. One study found that dark green leafy vegetables like spinach are high in beta-carotene and lutein, 2 types of antioxidants that have been associated with a decreased risk of cancer. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots are especially high in beta-carotene, which can turn into vitamin A in the body. Their high antioxidant content may help reduce the risk of lung and prostate cancer. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that contains sulforaphane, a compound that may prevent cancer growth. Eating broccoli may also help reduce the risk of chronic disease by protecting against oxidative stress. Number 4. Garlic. Studies show that garlic may help lower blood triglyceride levels. Some studies have also found that it could decrease blood sugar levels and may have an anti-cancer effect, although more research is needed. Number 5. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts contain an antioxidant called camphorol, which may protect against oxidative damage to cells and prevent chronic disease. They may also help enhance detoxification in the body. Number 6. Kale. Kale is high in vitamins A, C and K as well as antioxidants. Studies show that drinking kale juice could reduce blood pressure and LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL cholesterol. Number 7. Green peas. Green peas contain a good amount of fiber, which helps support digestive health. They also contain plant compounds called saponins, which may have anti-cancer effects. Number 8. Swiss chard. Some animal studies show that Swiss chard could protect against the negative effects of diabetes and may decrease blood sugar levels. Number 9. Ginger. Studies show that ginger could reduce nausea and alleviate inflammation. Ginger supplements may also help decrease blood sugar. Number 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is especially high in folate, which may help prevent neural tube birth defects. Test tube studies have also found that asparagus can support liver function and reduce the risk of toxicity. Number 11. Red cabbage. Red cabbage contains a good amount of fiber, vitamin C, and anthocyanins. Certain studies show that it may decrease blood cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of heart and liver damage. Number 12. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which may decrease the risk of some types of cancer. White sweet potatoes could also help reduce blood cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Number 13. Collard greens. Collard greens are high in calcium, which could reduce the risk of osteoporosis. The regular intake of collard greens has also been associated with a reduced risk of glaucoma and prostate cancer. Number 14. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi is rich in both fiber and vitamin C. Animal studies show that kohlrabi could potentially cause a reduction in blood sugar.